Okay. Yes, you have to run warm water, and we are going to...
Oh, shit, that's hot.
Oh, it's hot water. Okay, just warm. Sorry. And we're testing the vase that is a decorative plastic vase, and she has to... And then you're supposed to shape it into the desired shape you want.
You're being perverted.
We're checking this out to see if this is working.
So, how does it sit flat? Oh, I see. Look at the bottom.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
There you
It
go.
does it. Yay, it
Doesn't it have
works.
fun?
This is a good birthday gift for Marcy.
No, you're not supposed to say have fun.
It does work. We recommend the decorative plastic vase are perfect for birthdays. Okay, now she's adding the cold water.
And then when I'm done with it, I can make it flat.
Yes, and put it away for next year.
Or maybe when
maybe
they all
soon
hide
about-
out, get flowers. You never know.
You never know.
Probably not.
Okay.
These are pretty. Where are these scissors?
Do we need to cut them down? Yeah. Okay. A portable vase.
And it works.
Can be stored. It works. There it is.
Isn't it pretty?
Ta-da!
I'll just turn it off now.
All right.